I'm here again to continue with the matrix we just talked at. So don't forget, we just concluded the definition of matrix, the definition of terms in matrix, and also we look at the multiplication, addition, and subtraction of what matrices. But today we are going to look at determinant of matrix. How do we solve determinant of matrix? So determinant of a matrix. So the determinant of matrix A is written as A or it's A. That is, you can write it like this. Let's say you have a matrix A to be equal to, let's say 2 by 2 matrix like 2A, A11, A12, A21, A22. So the determinant of A, which is written as this, you can also write it as what? A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, so that is the determinant of given a matrix. So now, if the determinant of any matrix is written as this, now how do we find this determinants? Okay, we are going to consider two methods here. We have so many methods which you can use to find the determinant of any given matrix. We have a bracket weave method. We have a echelons method. We have triangular decomposition method. We have a diagonal method. We have a Gaussian elimination method. We also have a Sarrus rule. We have a butterfly method. But this morning we are going to consider just two. We are going to consider the butterfly method and the Sarrus method. So let's take example and solve so that we can easily understand what you are trying to say. So let's look at methods. So we want to consider butterfly method. Butterfly method. We consider after butterfly method, we consider the Sarrus method. Okay. So these are the two methods we want to consider in this matrix. So let's look at the number one, which is butterfly method. So butterfly method. So if you are given a matrix A to be equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, find determinant of A. If A is this, we can easily find the determinant of A. And how do we do that? How do we do this using a butterfly method? So we just have A equal to, we change this to determinant 2, 3, 1, 2. And in butterfly method, we are using this diagonal elements to multiply each other and this anti-diagonal to multiply each other. So we are going to have the element here is 2 times this element, which is 2. That is our diagonal. And the anti-diagonal, we put a natural minus. So the anti-diagonal element, we use it to multiply each other, which is 3 into 1. And this will be 4 minus 3. And the answer is 1. Don't forget this is 2 by 2 matrix. So if it is 3 by 3, let's call this example 1. Example 1. Example 2. Given that matrix A or matrix P equal to 213 024131. Find determinant of P. Okay, so given that P is this, we have to find determinant of P. So don't forget we are still applying butterfly method. So we have determinant of P equal to, we change this to determinant 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and this is the same thing as we are using this row. So the first element in this row is 2. So we are going to have 2 into, then submatrices of this major matrix. The elements there are 0, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1. So we are going to take this. Under this, we are covering this. We are using this 4 elements. That is, we are writing 2, 3, 4, 1. So of course we apply minus based on the matrix signs. So we have plus, we have plus, minus, plus. We continue like that, minus, plus, minus. For 3 by 3, plus, minus, plus. So this for 3 by 3. So if we are considering this first row, which is this, so this is plus, and the second one is minus. So the element there is 1 into, so we are not touching this. We are writing 0, 1, and 4, 1. So 0, 1, 4, 1. So, and the third one is plus. So we are not touching this. We are writing 0, 1, and 2, 3. Meanwhile, the element is 3. So we are not touching this, this. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to simplify this. So meanwhile, this is 2 by 2 matrices. These are 2 by 2 matrices rather, just like this. So we are going to simplify this. And how do we do that? So we are going to have a determinant of P equal to 2 into, so the diagonal elements, we have 2 times 1, 2, minus this plus minus. So 2, this times this, that's 12. Then minus 1, so 1, well, 0 times 1, which is 0. This plus minus. So minus 1 times 4, that's 4. And this one is plus 3 into, so this is plus minus. So 0 times 3, 0, minus 1 times 2, that's 2. Okay, so this is the same thing as 2 into this one. This will give you minus 10 minus 1 into what? Minus 4 plus 3 into this minus, right? So this will be minus 20. So minus times minus will give you plus 4. And this time this will give you minus 6. And when you subtract the negative, this one is minus 26, then plus 4. And the final answer will be minus what? Minus 22. So that's our determinant of P will be equal to minus 22. So this is the method for butterfly for 3 by 3. So now let's look at the second one, which is Sarrus method. So Sarrus method. So Sarrus method we are taking this question. So this is the rule for using Sarrus method. Ensure that the order of the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. So when you have 2 by 2, you don't need to apply Sarrus. Butterfly method is the best. So when you are solving 3 by 3 or more than that, you can apply Sarrus method. So let's use Sarrus method to solve this question here. The same question that we use butterfly method to solve. Let's apply Sarrus method to solve it. So from the question, we're given P equal to 3 by 3 of 2, 1, 3, first row, 0, 2, 4, second row, and 1, 3, 1. That's third row. So I want to find the determinant of this by Sarrus rule. Sarrus rule. So determinant of P be equal to 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1. So the law or the Sarrus method implies you repeat the first 2 columns. You add it to the given original matrix. That is, we are repeating the first column R1, column 1, and column 2. So we are repeating it by adding it to this. So when you repeat this, so this will give you 2, 0, and 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1. So you are repeating the first 2, this and this, first 2 columns. So we have 2, 0, and 1. We have 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So don't forget, this is the one we added. We added this. That is, we repeated this first. So how do we do it? So you cross it, the first diagonal, start from the third. So here, this is 1, 2. Since we are dealing with 3 by 3, so you must attract the one of 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we have this, and the second one we have this, and this. So the right is subtracted from the left. That is, let's look at this. So this means 3 times 2 times this. The answer is 6. So 2 times 4 times this. The answer will be this, 12, 24. 24. And this would be 0. And this 2 times 2 times 1, we have 4. And 1 times 4 times 2, this one will give you 4. And this times this will give you 0. Okay? So now we are subtracting this side from this side. That is this minus this. So if we are going to do that, we are going to have a determinant of P equal to 4. We sum this up, and we subtract the 2 answers. 4 plus 4 plus 0 minus 6 plus 24 plus 0. So this will give you 8 minus this plus this will give you 30. So when you subtract, this will give you minus 22. So which is the same thing as the answer will arrive here. Okay? So these are the 2 methods for solving a determinant. So now we use Sarrus rule, or we use butterfly method, or we use other methods. We have so many methods you can use to find the determinant of any given matrix. So later we are going to release videos on other methods, And also we are going to solve some complicated questions which you might find difficult or come across in your exam, whether you want to write JAMB or WAEC or you are in institutions. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you will get notification or you'll be notified anytime I uploaded this new videos. Thank you very much. I remain Formula. Thanks.